In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail login problems. Whether you're stuck on the sign-in page, seeing an incorrect password error, or just can't seem to access your inbox, this quick step-by-step guide will help you get back into your account easily. First, open your preferred web browser. For most people, that's Google Chrome. And let's start by clearing your cache and cookies, which often cause login errors. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser, then select Settings. From there, scroll down and choose Privacy and Security, followed by Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, make sure Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data are selected. Once those boxes are checked, click Clear Data. This removes outdated information that may be interfering with Yahoo's login system and gives you a clean start. Next, return to the Yahoo Mail login page and carefully re-enter your credentials. Double-check your email address and password, making sure there are no typos. Remember that Yahoo passwords are case-sensitive, so even a small difference in capitalization can prevent you from logging in successfully. If you still can't sign in, try using a different browser such as Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Sometimes a browser extension or setting might be conflicting with the login page. Alternatively, try restarting your current browser. It's a simple fix that often resolves temporary performance glitches. Another important tip is to make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi drops during the login process, the request might time out. Switching to a wired connection or restarting your router can help ensure a consistent signal. If you've recently changed your Yahoo password and you're trying to log in on multiple devices, make sure all devices are updated with the new password. Outdated credentials saved in your browser or app can also cause login failures. Once you've tried these steps, go ahead and attempt to log in again. In most cases, clearing the cache, checking your credentials, and ensuring a stable connection will solve the issue instantly. And that's all there is to it. By following these quick and effective troubleshooting steps, you'll be able to fix your Yahoo Mail login problem and get back to managing your emails smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.